Hello everyone. Today we are going to start fourth chapter, that is quadratic equations. Yesterday we have finished the third chapter, that is pair of linear equations in two variables. I think that chapter should be clear to all of you. Now we are going to start the fourth chapter, quadratic equations. In the second chapter we have done quadratic polynomial. What was the general form, standard form of a quadratic polynomial? Quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. And if it is equal to 0, then it becomes equation. So this is the standard form of a quadratic equation. Quadratic means an equation having degree 2. Quadratic means degree 2. If it is polynomial, then only expression is there. When this expression becomes equal to 0, then we call it quadratic equation. What is A? Coefficient of x square. What is B? Coefficient of x. And what is C? C is constant. This is the general form, standard form of a quadratic equation. In the very first question of the 4.1 worksheet, you are simply asked, you are given some equations and asked to check whether the given equation is quadratic or not. What you will do? You will find the degree. If the degree is 2, then it is quadratic. Otherwise, it's not a quadratic equation. But you need to simplify first of all. Simplify the given equation and write it in the general form and then see whether the degree is 2 or not. Then you will give the answer in yes or no. Now we are going to start with question number 2. Statement sums. Represent the following situations in the form of quadratic equation. We will take the first part of this. He says the area of rectangular plot is 528 meters square. The length of the plot. There are two dimensions in rectangle. One is length, other is breadth. Obvious assumptions are here. One, we'll assume that the length is x meters and breadth is y meter. Let length of rectangular plot, we'll assume it say x meters, and its width or breadth, same thing, say it is y meters. Assumptions we have taken now. सबसे important part is the assumptions. Right assumption should be there. Now he says, first thing he's saying, the length of the plot is 1 meter more than twice its breadth. You need to write the statement first. You know that length of plot is, we are given 1 more than twice its breadth. 1 more than twice its breadth. Remember, कभी भी equation direct नहीं बनानी है. You need to write the statement first, underline the keywords, and then we will form that equation. Length of plot 1 meter more. 1 meter more. It is actually twice its breadth. Now length of plot. What is length of plot? We have assumed x. What is mean? Is, are, was, were, will be. All means equal to. Is mean equal to. 1 more means plus 1. Than what? Twice its breadth. Twice means double. So 2y. So x is equal to 2y plus 1. We'll get first equation, linear equation in two variables. And second thing, we are given the area of the plot. Area of plot, rectangular plot, remember it is given 528 meters square. So what is area of rectangle? It is length into breadth, you know it. 528 length we have assumed x, and breadth is y, equals to 528. x की वैल्यू हमने यहां से निकाल रखी है. दिस इज द फर्स्ट इक्वेशन. इस इक्वेशन से x की ये वाली वैल्यू यहां डाल देंगे. नाउ पुटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ x फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1, दैट इज 2y plus 1. x की वैल्यू डाल दी into y, that is 528. So 2y square plus y. Take this 528 to this side. See what we get? We get a quadratic equation in y. It may be in x or it may be in y. So this is how we will convert the given statement into a quadratic equation. Now the second part, the product of two consecutive positive integers is given 306. Product of two consecutive positive integers. एक के बाद एक आने वाले numbers. Successive integers we can say, like 2 के बाद 3, 2 and 3, 5 के बाद 6, 5 and 6, 10 के बाद 11. कितने का गैप होता है? 1 का. So we'll assume let the two consecutive integers. If I take first as x, then obviously other one should be x plus 1. If we are asked to take say 3 positive integers, then assumptions would be first is x, second is x plus 1, third would be x plus 2. Here we are asked only 2, so we have assumed let x and x plus 1. Now the statement is given, their product is given. Their product means these two numbers product is given 306. Product into multiplication x into x plus 1, that is 306. Just multiply this x inside the bracket, x square plus x, transpose this 306 to the left side. What we get? We get a quadratic equation. Now the next third part, ages problem. There are two persons involved, mother and son. So name is given. Question I am reading. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. Let Rohan's age equal to Rohan's rather present age. We must say equal to x years. So mother's present age. Remember, Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. So mother's age is x plus 26 years. Right? Now we are given the product of their ages 3 years from now. 3 years from now means after 3 years. After 3 years. Let's find their ages first. What will be Rohan's age? After 3 years, x plus 3. Just add 3 to that present age. And mother's age will be, just add 3 to that. That is x plus 29 years. Now we are given the product of these ages is 360. Now product of their ages is 360. Which ages? After 3 years. Means x plus 3 into x plus 29, that is equal to 360. Just multiply these terms, x square plus 29x plus 3x plus this is 87 equals to 360 x square minus 29 plus 3 32x plus 87. Transpose this 360 to this side. So now just subtract 87 from 360 and 10 3, then 15 minus 8 7 2 283 minus 273, sorry, minus 273. So what we get? We get a quadratic equation. Now the next part, fourth part and last part of this question regarding speed, distance, time question. It is given a train which covers a distance of 480 kilometers. We have assumed the train is moving with uniform speed. Let the uniform speed of train we have assumed x kilometer per hour, and this is given distance to be covered 480 kilometer. Now we will find the time taken distance over speed, 480 over x hours. This is the usual time taken with the uniform speed. Now what is done? The speed of the train is reduced. It is decreased by 8 kilometer per hour. So therefore the decreased speed of the train is x minus 8. Distance was same 480. What is the time taken for the journey now? Distance over speed 480 over x minus 8 hours. Now we are given if the speed is decreased. Remember one thing, if the speed is decreased, the time is more. If the speed is increased, time taken will be less. You know they are inversely proportional to each other always. Now we are given speed is decreased, and what happens? It would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. That means the difference between these two times is 3 hours. So whenever the difference is to be taken, the difference is always greater minus smaller. Out of these two times, which is the greater time? दो कंसेप्ट हैं देखने के. एक तो स्पीड का कंसेप्ट, जहां स्पीड ज्यादा वो टाइम कम, स्पीड कम वो टाइम ज्यादा. कहां स्पीड कम है? यहां पे स्पीड कम है, तो ये टाइम ज्यादा है, ये टाइम कम है. दूसरा कंसेप्ट कौन सा है? whenever you take a ratio numerator with same numerator, then you see the denominator. डिनोमिनेटर बड़ा, उसकी वैल्यू छोटी. डिनोमिनेटर छोटा, उसकी वैल्यू बड़ी. किसी भी एक कंसेप्ट से याद रख सकते हैं कि इनमें से बड़ा कौन सा है. सो नाउ बड़ा टाइम कौन सा है? 480 ओवर which one? Which is with the decreased speed, minus the smaller time. 480 over x. How much? The gap is given now 3 hours. So we need to simplify this and form a quadratic equation. Take LCM. What is LCM? Their product, x minus 8 into x. So this is 480 into x minus 480 into x minus 8 equals to 3. So 480x minus, take inside, 480x minus minus plus 80, 8 8s are 64, 32 and 6 38 over x inside, x square minus 8x equals to 3. 480x cancels, so what we get? 3840 over x square minus 8x equals to 3. Now cross multiply this, we get now 3 into x square minus 8x, that is equal to 3840. Now take this 3 to the other side. X square minus 8x, 3840 over 3. Let's try to cancel it. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 2 4, 3 8s are 24, 0. Cancels completely. Done. X square minus 8x. Take this 1280 to this side also. 1280 equal to 0. We get the required quadratic equation. This is today's work. Thank you.